Hi, this is Heather Castro with Legends Realty. This is 25819 Aberdovey Avenue in Sorrento, Florida. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-car garage with 1,036 square feet. Come take a look inside. You have a 1-car garage with garage entry as well. Here you do have a covered front patio. Come take a look inside. So as you enter, you do have a formal living room with a fireplace, as well as your formal dining room. To have access to your kitchen through a cutout, you could put bar stools in this space. You do have an eat-in space here for a small bistro table, and then you have your kitchen. Storage and pantry area. And this door will lead to the 1-car garage. There's your entry. In the rear of the home, you do have your master bedroom. And the master also does have access to the patio through a sliding glass door. And here is your master bathroom. Here is your second bedroom. Second bathroom. You have a screened-in patio, a wooden deck, Thank you for previewing our home off of Aberdovey Avenue in Sorrento. I hope you have a good one. Bye.